Oh, watch out for this. Whee! Yeah, but it's like, I don't know. I'm having fun. I'm having fun riding in the rain because the rain is my friend. Plus, I mean, think of it like this, dude. If you do go down, nice, smooth sliding. One nice thing is I don't have to shower now because we are all showered up. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. It's so nice. I wanted to ride some more. So hey, what is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine. Why the hell do they still have that thing up? Day here in Southwest PA. I want to ride more in the rain. I'm already completely soaked, and I'm like, you know what? Let's ride in the rain. Wow. Okay. Something wrong. There's something wrong with me. Oh shoot. Oh no. It's gonna rain really hard for me. Okay, let's do a little bit less singing. Oh, it's a little baby deer. Oh, you're so adorable. Please stay off the road. Go find mommy. Stay the fuck off the road. I hate seeing fawns killed. I hate seeing anything, hit by a car or whatever, but it's like, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Ooh, it's getting steamy. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes with proper consent. Do. I think that's how it goes. Yeah, I just seen off in the distance. I'm like, oh, it's gonna rain hard. God, don't hit me. So let's go. Oh, there's leaves, debris. We have debris. Where's the rain at? It's all windy. Look at it. Ah, it's windy. Oh no, I can't ride in the rain. I haven't practiced. Practice riding in the rain. I should have a topic for you guys, but I'm just having so much fun. This is probably seriously the most fun I've had riding my bike all year so far. Like I said last vlog, it's been absolutely freaking miserable, man. I can't do this heat stuff. I can't do it no more, dude. Because it has been upper 80s, mid 90s, and just 99% humidity. That's probably a bit of an exaggeration, but it's been raining. Oh, watch out for this. Whee! Yeah, but it's I don't know. I'm having fun. I'm having fun riding in the rain because the rain is my friend. Plus, I mean, think of it like this, dude. If you do go down, nice, smooth sliding, right? I mean, nobody wants to go down, but if you are going to go down, let's do it in a nice, easy way, right? I'm swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I see you. That kind of bothers me. Let's do this. I can't see. Why can't I see? Are my glasses fogged up? Something's fogged up. Oh, man. It feels so good. Oh, it feels so... I'm completely soaked at this point in time. There's not one dry part except for my socks, but they are starting to get a little damp now. Because you can only do so much. There's only so much you can do. Well, which way am I going to go? Yeah, we're going to go this way. We're going to go this way. Oh, no, they are soaked. Okay, I thought they were soaked. You ever, have, soaked socks and shoes, and it kind of feels like they're dry in a weird way, but, not really dry? Is this recording? Yes. Hot dang. It is still recording. Woo, lightning. I'm singing in the rain. Yes, singing in the rain. Oh, there's the rain. Alright, guy. Hey, one nice thing is I don't have to shower now because we are all showered up. And that is pretty nifty, if I do say so myself. Meow. Meow. And don't worry, got real good tires on. You can ride fast in the rain if you got good tires. Of course, there's, you know, your inputs and all that fun stuff, but I mean, hey, you can still do it. And watch out for this monstrosity. Can you imagine hitting that thing, dude? That thing's like 2 feet deep. You are getting jacked up, man. Like, jacked up, jacked up. Oh, excuse me. Da, da, da. I got a feeling I'm high on believing that this guy's going slow. Hey guy, what are you doing? What are you buying? Whew. I've seen it. I can feel like the water running like the back of my legs now. Da na 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 na. Ah, so nice. Uh-oh, now I can't say shit. I breathed real, I sighed out of relief. Ooh, what that? And yeah, now I can't see. Which way do I want to go? Do I want to go home now? Not really, but if the rain's like kind of slowing down, you know what I mean? Like, what is the protocol for that? What are you supposed to do? I do not know. Which way I really don't know what I want to do. Just as my life. Oh, you're going slow as hell. Jeez whiz, dude. Let's go, guys. Let's just have some fun. Woo-wee! That was a lot of water. Ooh, we got some flooding action now, boys. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at this. A lot of flooding action. That's one thing where you can't, like, you know. There's one thing to ride in the rain, but it's the other thing to, like, ride in, like, flood and stuff. So sometimes, it's a little difficult. You can hydroplane. And you don't want to do that. Because if you hydroplane, you're going to have a bad time. Yeah, part 2, huh? I did part 1 of riding in the rain. Didn't learn anything. So we got part 2. Let's go down a gear. Let's go down a gear. Drop a gear and disappear. Oh wait, these are my only riding pants and I work tomorrow out. Well, I did not think that one through. Because these are going to be soaked. My shoes, soaked. My gloves, soaked. Everything wet. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Look at this. Look at that. Well, would you look at that? You gotta really pay attention. Riding in the rain. I should just turn around. There's really no point of continuing if it's not going to rain hard. Because, like, I mean, I'm here to ride in the rain. And you're here to watch me ride in the rain. And if there's no rain, WTF, you know what I'm saying? You're picking up what I'm laying down? Oh well. Ugh, feels so good. Damn it, I huffed again and now I can't see. You would have thought I would have learned. But I did not learn. It's very rare that I actually learn my lesson from anything in life. Because I kind of always forget and then just run the same play again. If you know what I mean. Flash my brakes, flash my brakes. Ugh. I'm only like uncomfortable when I stop, because then I get to like move, and then I realize how soaking wet I am now. Is it still on? Yes, I see a little red light. I see the light. Now, is there anything I need since I actually was like out and about, or that I am currently out and about? Do I need any food? I don't think I need any food. Well, I don't have any food at the house, I know that for sure. I don't know. What can I tell you guys? I'm sorry. What a horrible vlog this is. What a horrible, horrible vlog. Don't forget to leave a dislike on your way out. I apologize. Hi, guy. Don't forget to leave a dislike on your way out. Nah, you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that. I think I do have a secret disliker out in the midst somewhere. Because like all my videos are like 98% likes and then like one like or one dislike. It's like who is, and it's like on every single video. So there might be a secret hater afoot. Which hey, I respect it. I respect it. Now, dreaming. We got some more debris on the roads. Oh, hey, look, there's heavy rain again. It looks like we can play in some heavy rain. Let's do this, that. There, had to fix my glasses. Oh, yeah, look at the rain. Just son of a gun, man, every single time. I don't learn. Not learning my lessons. Maybe one day, guys. Yeah, I want to do some trips too, man. I really want to get some trips done. It's just been, like I said, man, it's just been one of those summers where it's like, maybe if I first got, like, I was brand new to riding, I would be, you know, super gung-ho about it, which is typically what happens. But as of recently, or as of, you know, this year, it also has been like extra. It's been a bit extra, I'm not gonna lie, as far as with like the heat and all that goes. So, but yeah, I want to go on some trips, man. I really want to go on some trips. I also don't really know where to go, and I also really want another bike. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. I almost bought another one. I almost bought a Vulcan 900. Woo, slippy. I slipped right there. But, yeah, I sat on the bike and I was just like, felt super cramped, and it's like, it's not what I want. It's crazy too that a Vulcan 900 felt like cramped. I don't know if it's because it's like a you know, Japanese cruiser or whatever, but yeah, I was like really disappointed, man, because I almost bought it, dude. It was the right price. It just didn't feel right. And you know, if I'm buying a cruiser, man, that thing has to feel perfect. I mean, it just has to. I mean, honestly, any bike has to feel really comfortable to buy it. But, yeah, something that's meant to be, like, going the distance and, like, not feeling comfortable, it's just like, yeah, I don't know about all that. Oh, you rascals. Which way do I want to go? I should just go home. But I'm going to continue to ride around. That lady was looking at me like I was retarded. Or like surprised or something. Maybe it had nothing to do with me. But it looked like she was like leaning forward, like, look at that fucking idiot. You know, I got a feeling that it's raining. Oh yeah, this area likes to flood a little bit.